Alright, so I just received this package and I decided to do an unboxing. This is going to be my first unboxing. I'm trying to start a t-shirt business. And I just received this package, as you can see in the front of the box. It says Promo Heat. So let's see what's in the box. I just ordered this like 2 days ago. Came in pretty fast. Little instructions manual. I won't read, my wife will probably read it. It's pretty heavy. I need to get me a new table. Alright, so as you can see, this is a heat press. This is a pretty important piece of machinery if you're going to be starting a t-shirt business. I ordered it, like I said, 2 days ago. I actually ordered it from Walmart.com. They have third-party vendors who sell things through Walmart.com. So I ordered through Walmart.com and it came in 2 days. Alright, so this is the heat press fully unboxed. It is a clamshell version of the press, which meaning the press opens and closes like a clamshell. You got your heating, your alarm, Fahrenheit and Celsius. You can control it there as well. Power on off switch. Your heating element is going to be on the top. And you have a pad on the bottom where the shirt lays. This is your power cord. I have not used it yet, so it's obviously still wrapped up and everything. I have a circuit breaker on the side as well. It's going to pull a lot of juice. Danger warning. I'll probably need this more than anything. If you guys know me, you know I'm not handy at all. But with the help of my wife, we will get through it. Give me another few days, I'll let you guys know how it works. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share the videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. See you guys later.